Imagine a computer, not made of silicon chips or transistors, but powered by living brain cells. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Germany is about to showcase the world's first code-deployable biological computer, built from lab-grown brain tissue, containing about 800,000 human neurons. This unveiling will take place at a major networking summit dedicated to the future of biointelligent value creation. And if that phrase sounds futuristic, it's because it is. We're talking about a technology that could completely redefine how we think about computing. Instead of relying on wires, processors, and electricity alone, this biological computer uses living neurons, tiny brain cells that naturally process information in ways even the most advanced AI still struggles to match. Think about it. Your brain runs on just about 20 watts of power, less than a light bulb, yet it outperforms supercomputers when it comes to learning, adapting, and reasoning. Now, researchers are harnessing this biological power and linking it with code so that developers can actually deploy software into a living, thinking network of cells. At the heart of this project are around 800,000 lab-grown human neurons, cultivated and connected in controlled environments. To put it into perspective, that's just a tiny fraction of the billions of neurons in the human brain. But even this small cluster has remarkable abilities. Neurons are capable of creating dynamic connections, adapting to stimuli, and solving problems in ways that rigid, silicon-based computers cannot. The promise here isn't raw processing power, but adaptability and efficiency, traits that could make these biocomputers game changers. Germany's decision to showcase this breakthrough at a high-profile networking summit is no accident. The event will bring together leading experts in technology, medicine, and economics to discuss what they call biointelligent value creation. In simpler terms, this is about using living systems not only for healthcare, but also for industries ranging from logistics to finance. A computer powered by neurons could, in theory, learn and adapt to new situations much faster than traditional machines, potentially offering solutions to real-world challenges that demand flexibility. Now, let's pause for a moment. Imagine software developers writing code not for chips, but for living networks of neurons. Imagine medical researchers training these biocomputers to simulate human diseases more realistically than any digital model could. Or consider businesses using them to create predictive models that behave more like the human mind. It's a vision that blurs the line between biology and technology, and it's opening a completely new chapter in computing. Of course, with breakthroughs like this come serious questions. If these biological computers grow more sophisticated, how do we ensure ethical use? Do lab-grown neurons raise concerns about consciousness or awareness? These debates are only beginning, but they will be central as the technology develops. Germany's unveiling of the world's first deployable biological computer powered by 800,000 human neurons marks a turning point. We're not just pushing computing forward, we're merging the living and the digital into one system. It's exciting, a little unsettling, but above all, it shows just how close we are to a future where machines don't just calculate. They might actually learn and think in ways closer to us.